Hey guys, this is a quick review about what you need to know before you replace your gas pump on your motorcycle. Can be any motorcycle, but in this case it's for a Yamaha R6 from 2006, 2017 or 16. My problem was with my motorcycle. One day I went to turn on my motorcycle. I was getting off from work. The bike doesn't want to go on. I turn it on the bike, everything crank, but it doesn't want to goes on. So after a few try, the bike finally went on. That was something kind of weird. It made that one I think one time, one or twice. But I know that it wasn't the gas pump, but I bought the gas pump thinking it was the gas pump because it doesn't make sense. So after I removed the gas pump, I checked everything that in the gas pump was working properly, holding the pressure properly. So I was looking that sometimes I got power, sometimes I doesn't have it doesn't have power. It's not getting power the gas pump. So I tracked the wires and everything, and I finally found this guy. This is a gas pump relay. So the thing that I did, I bought this gas pump relay. I tested it, and the problem was the contact that has inside has a little relay on this side. It was a little bit burned. So I cleaned it up, and that was the problem. So eventually I ended up replacing for a new one. So before you replace your gas pump or take any action, make sure your relay is sending the power all the time. Like I try few turns, few like 5 turns. Try to turn it on 5 times with a meter. Can be also you can hear the pump every time you go on. So that's what you need to know before you replace your gas pump. Then you're gonna be like me, spending more money and stuff that you end up not needing that. So that's it for now. So thank you for watching.